A is for apple, tasty and sweet. B is for ball, always bouncing at your feet. C is for cat with a purr so fine. D is for dog, that's yours and mine. A, B, C, D, it's a fun ride. E, F, G, H, right by your side. E is for elephant, big and strong. F is for frog, cooking all night long. G is for grapes, juicy and round. H is for hat that you just found. A, B, C, D, it's a fun ride. E, F, G, H, right by your side. I is for igloo, chilly and white. J is for jelly, wobbly and bright. K is for kite, flying up so high. L is for lamp, glowing in the night sky. A, B, C, D, it's a fun ride. E, F, G, H, right by your side. M is for monkey, swinging so free. N is for nest in a tall oak tree. O is for octopus in the deep blue sea. P is for pumpkin, big as can be. A, B, C, D, it's a fun ride. E, F, G, H, right by your side. Q is for queen with a shiny crown. R is for rainbow shining all around. S is for sun glowing up so bright. T is for train chugging left and right. A, B, C, D, it's a fun ride. E, F, G, H, right by your side. U is for umbrella in the pouring rain. V is for violin playing a sweet refrain. W is for whales splashing in the sea. X is for xylophone playing happily. Y is for yo-yo spinning up and down. Z is for zebra with stripes all around. Now we've learned our ABC. Sing again and dance with me.